got some blackjack down here. They had this, the table games down here, decades ago. And I haven't seen it since.
So when we got in, we get a free hot dog and popcorn. I heard that. That's why I was. I heard a lot of things.
You get the first and then they're like, no, you don't
Guaranteed cover on. You had a straight face on everything I said.
B, number 12. B, number 9. G, 57. O, 61.
Yeah, with the smile.
Okay, they're trying to do what other bingo halls have done, and they put some slots right outside the door. In fact, I think every single one of them, except maybe Plaza downtown, doesn't have any games right next to their bingo hall, but all the other ones do. But this is where it is. It's in Skyrise. You could damn sure miss it, I can tell you that. So you go upstairs and turn to the right. Go past Adventure Dome, keep walking, and you'll see the signs. The signs are not easy to read, to be truthful. I didn't see that those balls were spelling out bingo. Bingo should be loud and clear for you to see from a distance. You know. They know where it is, so they figure out everyone else knows where it is. See, I mean, you can read it right here. From a distance, I did not. All I saw was Hall, Skyrise Casino, and Hall triggered bingo to me. But I didn't see those balls were spelling out bingo until I got right up on it. I'm not sure if the bingo people want to go through this to get to their bingo. You know, bingo players are different people.